Hi, my name is Julia, and I'm the full trichologist. And today I'd like to introduce you to somebody very special. This is Valerie. Valerie is our patient here. She underwent the platelet-rich plasma procedure, better known as PRP. And now that she's completed her treatment, I'd like Valerie to talk to you about her experience and tell you a little bit about her story.
Okay, so as you know, a little over a year ago, I was on a medication which triggered significant hair loss for me. It started out somewhat slowly, but then increased to devastating amounts. And even when I stopped the medication, the hair loss did not stop. I was frightened. I was very stressed out. I was very concerned, obviously. I didn't know if this would ever stop, and I really at that time wasn't sure what to do to take care of it, to get my hair back and to stop this process. So fortunately we came across the platelet-rich plasma therapy, and it made a significant difference for me. But before I got to that point, as I said, I was just losing just a tremendous amount of hair. Hair was coming out, losing hair in the shower, losing hair when I was brushing.
I remember.
Losing hair just throughout the day. I mean, I would just look down and strands of hair were on my clothing. Frightening, very frightening. Especially after a lifetime of having long, thick hair. So, I mean, hair really is just, it's part of my identity, like it is, I'm sure, for most women.
You lost quite a bit of it. Huh?
I did. I really did. I would say I probably lost close to a third of my hair. So it went from long and lush and full to thin and scraggly, and I was trying to still keep it long, but it just really didn't look good. I didn't want photos taken of me. I'm normally a very confident, happy, positive person, but this was really affecting me. It really was. So as I said, even after I stopped the medication, the hair loss did not stop. I was fortunate enough to come across the platelet-rich plasma therapy and started the PRP treatments, and they have just made a significant difference for me. I am so much happier. So much stress has melted away. I love having photographs taken again. I mean, it's made such a difference. I can't even put it into words, in all honesty.
You look beautiful. Your hair looks gorgeous.
Oh, thank you. Yeah. I just, and not only do I feel so much better, so much happier, and more confident again because of the regrowth of my hair. So it wasn't until I started the PRP that I really felt a difference and saw a difference, not only in new growth of hair or regrowth of hair, but also in thickness and just the diameter.
Density throughout.
Yeah.
Growth, density, just the quality, all of it.
It's just,
you look
I'm
you look
thrilled.
amazing. There really is no comparison. I mean, you've always been beautiful, but with the regrowth of your hair, I mean, it just made it's just stunning. And I am just so happy that you're here. It's been a pleasure having you over the last year. Come in and do these treatments, and again,
Thank you.
I'm so happy for you.
I'm thrilled. I really am. I have all of my hair back. When I had reached a point where, like I said, I had lost probably close to a third of it, and I didn't know if it would ever stop. I didn't know if I could literally lose all my hair, and
well,
that was scary.
We got it back.
We got it
you
back.
Look amazing, and
it's thick. It's full. I'm thrilled, and there are some things in life that we can't help but worry about. Things we have to worry about, but losing your hair, particularly for a woman, shouldn't be one of them. So I'm very excited that we found you.
So
yeah.
Thank you for being here today.
No longer is. Thank you.